Hey guys, this is a voiceover because my audio didn't work, so yippee, I guess. Basically, this is a grilled cheese. You're gonna need sourdough, as you can see, and it's from Save On Foods. Just get the large thing of sourdough, and then Swiss cheese. If you want, you can put a tiny bit of Gouda, but not too much, and also Cracker Barrel marble. Also do cheddar. I didn't have cheddar, and also smoked. You can also do like smoked ham, other hams and stuff. Also green onion. Yeah. But yeah, it's yeah. So we're just gonna. I'm thinking it's gonna be a transition, so we're gonna butter the bread real quick. Yep, we're gonna butter the bread. Yeah. Well, bam! There we go. So yeah, buttered bread. Let's go. Uh, we're gonna be putting the cheese on, I believe. Yeah, marble. So we're putting the marble cheese on. It's it's yeah. Um, so we did that. Obviously, I really gotta see if I can turn my microphone back on. And yeah, we're gonna chop up the green onion now, I believe. And yeah, it's gonna take a little bit, but hold on a second. Okay, so yeah, I have the knife now. I'm gonna cut the green onion. That took me about like 10 minutes just to find the actual knife, but yeah, we're cutting it up now. And yeah, I really gotta figure out how to turn my microphone back on with my GoPro. But yeah, we put it back in the fridge. Yeah, bada bing, bada boom. Now we're gonna place the green onion on the cheese, which looks it just tastes really good with green onion. Okay, even if you're not a fan of green onion, you can try it. I do recommend trying it, but yeah, you don't have to. But yeah, I added a little bit too little green onion, but it's whatever. So yeah, we're gonna add the Swiss now. Swiss cheese is really good on this, by the way. Just adding the Swiss. And yeah, also I've been staying at school for a little bit more longer, or at least trying to, but yeah, it's whatever. And yeah, we're gonna add the ham now. But yeah, to be honest, it's just like it is like it's been good. School's been good. I also put 2 slices of ham. As you can tell, I didn't magically make a piece of ham appear out of thin air. So yeah, we did that, and now we're gonna put the ham away. But first we gotta bag it up, you know? Yeah, my hands were kind of greasy from the ham, so it was kind of hard to actually like put the ham in the bag and close the bag, as you can tell, because I was oh, excuse me, sorry about that. I was kind of struggling, but yeah, it's gonna go in the thing now. Also, yeah, we're just gonna go soon. We're gonna be going into the the actual the pan. We're gonna be going to the pan soon, in I believe like a couple more seconds, so that's good. Come on, go to the pan. Yep, transition to the pan. Transition to the pan. I'll see you all at the pan. That's what I said. Okay, so now that we're at the pan, don't mind the greasy pan. It's my mom's pan. She was making us breakfast today. But yeah, we were doing all that stuff, and yeah, I don't remember what I was talking about, but yeah, I think I was talking about a new Minecraft video coming soon, which is pretty exciting. But yeah, I've I'm just gonna try my best to upload more often as well. But yeah, we're letting the butter go. Yeah, we're just buttering. It's all buttery. Yep, it's all butter. I love butter. So let me know down in the comments how you guys' day is going. I'm intrigued to know. I don't need to know everything, but I just want to know how your day's going. So yeah, we're doing that. I was washing the spatula because I didn't want bacon grease on my grilled cheese. You can also add Applewood smoked bacon. I do recommend it, but cook it in a separate pan, not the same one. Otherwise, it's gonna be horrible for you. But yeah, because it won't even cook properly. You have to cook bacon longer than you can cook the grilled cheese. Otherwise, unless you want your grilled cheese burnt to a crisp. But yeah, we're gonna go to when the pan's actually heated up now. And 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now, we are turning it up a little bit. See, yeah, we're just adding a little bit of amount of pressure, but my auntie said that it's better to actually, like, you know, put it on a lower heat for a little bit so that my cheese is fully melted. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be fully melting the cheese and all that stuff. I think we skipped a little bit too far ahead. Yeah, there we go. Oh, my camera glitched. Yeah, it tends to do that sometimes. I'm thinking of getting a new one soon. But yeah, yeah, hold on a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. So, yeah, we are currently cooking the grilled cheese. Yippee. Also, I'm gonna be eating the grilled cheese as well. But yeah, this is a really good grilled cheese, to be honest. Like, it's so good. I'm thinking of getting a shirt microphone, you know, so that I can actually, like, you know, yeah. But I'm, oh my god, it's so good. Listen to this. Listen to this. Oops, sorry. Okay, yeah. There we go. So now I'm trying it in the video, and to be honest, I was like, "Oh my god, that's so good! Oh my god, it's so stringy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh!" That's what I was doing. So yeah. Oh yeah, look at that! Look at that string action. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace. I said peace, Keenan. Keenan, peace.